Boom. So we here with it. I ain't naked, y'all. I got on a tube top. And I see my hair's out. That gotta go. Damn, what am I about to say? Come. My hair's out, so that means we about to do a quick weave. I feel like I do these annually. Since I am a faithful wig wearer, I'm gonna use this hair. I made a video on it. I don't remember which one, but the hair looks exactly the same. I'm gonna take the wig apart and I'm gonna just use the wefts off of it. So, but I came to show y'all my hair because I feel like my hair is considered long. I don't know. I can't remember the last time I did an actual like braid down or whatever. I figured I'd show y'all how I'm gonna do it. I'm in between two options, braiding it and just not braiding it at all. And then bitch got a fresh wax ding, today. So I'm feeling myself just a little, just a tad, for me. Even though I look dry, but that's about to change. I try to do as less leave out as possible. I'm do the little ponytail, which I've never done it this way before, so this is trial and error. Okay, I'm gonna put the Wee Wonder wrap. Y'all know what this is. I got this and the small bottle, so I'm gonna just put this around the edges real quick before I start brushing my hair back. Done. Now I'm going to brush it back before it quickly dries on my ass. All right, that's done. I'm about to completely do this part. I'm gonna leave this part alone because I'm gonna braid it at the end. But I'm gonna just put the glue, put the wrap on the rest of my hair. So I did these three little braids. So that's how it looks. So I put them over the top of my head, and I didn't put it on this because we we're gonna put it on after, and I just blow dry it. Now I'm about to put one stocking cap on. I'm trying to think if I want to do both, but like, girl, this literally took me like 0.5. Well, maybe 5 minutes, but nonetheless. But if I did a whole braid down, that would have literally took me 30 minutes. Now I got an extra 30 minutes to do too much on something else. All right, let's put this on because I be BSing. I'm trying to think, should I don't know how I want to do this. That's why I hate having long hair. I don't want to feel this under my hair. All right, I'm gonna have to bobby pin it because I needed to stay where I put it. All right, so look here. This one, pull it down a little bit. All right, hold on. Pull it down a little bit. Bobby pin it like that. Do like this, like here. Bobby pin it like that. This, now I know it's not going to reach up there. Now we cool. I can just put the stocking cap on top of that. I bet. So this one, bobby pin it right here. And I'm not sticking it all the way till it's touching my scalp because I don't want to feel this bobby pin. I'm just literally putting it at the top of my head, at the top of my hair. Then I think I'm gonna bend this one a little bit this way. Boom. Right? Take this one. Boom, just like that. I don't have to worry about this once I put the cap on. And I can take that out for real. So boom, it's good just like this. I put this cap on, put the wrap back on it. I mean, not wrap, yeah, that little gel, and then it'll be flat. I look like Coolio. Right here. My God. I usually don't do this. See, that's all I need to see. The rest is pretty much, I can eyeball it. Back here, honey. Blind as a bat. Back with this. I'm gonna put it all over, blow dry. It's all dry, y'all. It's literally been like an hour. It's been like an hour and a half. My hair been like this the whole time my daughter was making her gingerbread house. My ears are killing me. But I'm gonna leave it like this just because I don't want this bottom piece. I don't know how much like down here is covered. So I'm gonna leave it like that so it won't rise up. Because I was just gonna cut everything off. But I'm gonna leave it like that. I'm gonna put a couple tracks on. And then I'm gonna cut it off. Here's the hairs all cut off. And now it's finally time for the fucking fun part.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. You got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you. thinking about you. Boy, you had me from the start. By the way you stared, the way you rolled up on me, yeah, yeah. Man, I felt your energy. Wasn't used to being loved and treated differently, yeah. But something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're on completely different pages. Let's go where we were, where no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Boy, you take me on a trip, always up and down and back and forth in merry-go-round. I just wanna get it right, but when you go left, I'm stuck here feeling left behind. Cause something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're going different directions. Let's go where we were, where no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. Trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. If you love me just like you say you do, don't kill the good vibes. If you kill them, you're gonna kill us too. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain. You always make me feel like home, yeah. just can't stop thinking about, yeah, you.